Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Well, today we're here in Emerson, Arkansas at the car show. We got the Purple Hole Pea Festival going on this weekend, and I'm gonna flip you around. I'm gonna show you the two vehicles that we got entered in the car show. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk down a little bit. I'm gonna show you some of the cars and trucks that I like, and then we're gonna go down the road a little bit. They have a tractor show going on. I want to take a look at some of the tractors. They got some really nice tractors I want to show y'all, and then we'll see what else kind of festivities we got. So let me flip you around right quick. Alright, so we have a 76 CJ7 Renegade. This is my father-in-law's Jeep. Three-speed, custom paint job that he done. Excellent Jeep. This thing runs fantastic. Then this is my brother-in-law's car. It's a 1977 Corvette. This is his everyday drive vehicle. T-tops, gotta love it.
But I've seen it. I've seen it on the internet.
So we like to go around to local car shows that they have around and put our two vehicles in the car shows. We actually have another CJ7. It broke down this past week. We got to redo the clutch in it. Clutch went out. So we weren't able to put that in the car show this time, but the next car show that they have coming up, we will have that one in there as well. So we have three vehicles that we do. So let's go down and take a look at some of the other vehicles, and then we'll walk down and take a look at the tractors. It's a 79 Corvette, a nice 57. 69 Corvette, convertible, nice. Gotta love Shelby. '71 Chevelle. '55 Bel Air. Man, look at that motor. That is nice. Interior on this thing. There's 71 Nova. Holy macaroni. That's 63 Ford F-150. Nice. This is a 71 Chevelle. Got the motor on that. Man, I really like the color on this car. Interior is just clean. This is 1960 Chevy Apache. Everything on this truck's nice except for the tires. I don't like the rims on this truck, but I do like the style of this truck. So yeah, this is one of the smaller car shows in the area, but the Purple Hole Pea Festival isn't really that big. The main attraction at the Purple Hole Pea Festival is the tiller races. And later on today, it's I think it's about 12 right now, and at 2:30 the tiller races start. I want to show y'all that because that is pretty interesting. I've actually never seen a tiller race, so this will be my first time witnessing that. Y'all let me know down in the description below which one of those vehicles did y'all like. I'm gonna have to pick the Chevy Apache. If they didn't have the rims on it, I'd like that even better. But hey, it is what it is. That's their vehicle, not mine. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna walk down here. We're gonna take a look at some of these tractors. I love older tractors, and I know Farmall Fanatic, you're gonna like a couple of these tractors down here. So let's walk on down here and we'll take a look at it. All right, so here we are. Let's take a look at a couple of these tractors. I'm not gonna show you all of them because there's like 50 tractors in the tractor show, but some of the ones that I like, we'll look at them, stop and look at them, but I'll kind of walk down the line so y'all can see everything. There's a John Deere. There you go. Oh, John Deere right there. Man, look at that right there. Let's take a look at the back side of it. Yeah.
How you doing?
Oh, look at that. This right here, this is the old style drilling rig. Little pump units there. Little hit and miss unit. Alright, so that's just some of the tractors. Next thing up we'll have later on today is the tiller races. We'll be back for that. I'm going back up to the car show, get me some water. It's like 400 degrees out here. It's hotter than a lizard skeleton in the desert out here. Holy macaroni. Alright guys, gals, see y'all in just a little bit. Alright guys, so we're at the tiller race now. They're finna start up a little race, and we're gonna start watching a couple of them, and then I think they're gonna have some head-to-heads going on. We'll check that out in just a little bit. So let me flip you around and we'll show you what's going on.
Anybody got any jumper cables here? There we go.
There it is. All right.
All righty, here we go. There he goes.
Oh.
Woo! As he burns the track up on the left side here, lane 1. Look at it go.
The big tiller here came from Wisconsin. Hey, I hear they grow thoroughbred tillers up in Wisconsin. Those tillers are flatty. You gotta watch them. There you go. All right, here we go.
Alright, so that was the tiller race. I'm not going to stay for the whole thing. My father-in-law is waiting on me over at the car show. We're going to head back to the house. That is amazing. What do y'all think? Y'all think Old Spicy should do this next year? I can build a tiller that can haul some butt. Alright, I'm going to get over here away from the announcers and we'll talk a little bit more to you. Alright guys and gals, well that's it for today. That is the Purple Hole Pea Festival. Behind me you can see a bunch of booths and stuff that you see at regular festivals. But we were here for the car show, and I wanted to see that tiller race because that was the first time I ever seen anything like that. So that's it for me, guys. Just this video on my little festivities. We do this a lot, going to car shows. And tell me what y'all think about the car shows. Would y'all like to see more of these videos? If you would, I have no problem showing y'all all of our car shows and stuff that we do. So I'm gonna get out of here. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all enjoyed these festivities, give this thing a thumbs up, because those are awesome. I'm gonna get out of here. Until next video, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.